हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं गोपाल कुमार हूं। आप लोगों को पढ़ाने वाला हूं फर्स्ट इक्वेशन, सेकेंड इक्वेशन एंड थर्ड इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन ग्राफिकल मेथड के द्वारा। इसके पहले मैंने आप लोगों को पढ़ाया था मैथमेटिकल मेथड से प्रूव किया था इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन को, और इस क्लास में मैं आप लोगों को बताऊंगा ग्राफिकल मेथड से, है ना, टू प्रूव इक्वेशन of motion by graphical method। सबसे पहले मैं ग्राफ बनाऊंगा। एक्स एक्सिस में टाइम को रखूंगा और वाई एक्सिस में वेलोसिटी को रखा जाता है। वेलोसिटी को मान लीजिए ये ओरिजिन है, वो ओरिजिन है। यहाँ से एक वस्तु जो है, एक ऑब्जेक्ट चलना प्रारंभ किया एंड इट गोज टू ए, सो इट्स इनिशियल वेलोसिटी विल बी u। इट स्टार्टेड मूविंग फ्रॉम ए, इट स्टार्टेड to increase its speed, okay, so what will happen? There will be acceleration, and now finally it reaches to the position B, so this is what? This is acceleration, okay. It takes how much time? First you join with the x-axis. How much time does it take? It takes t times to reach to B. Now join A to this line and mark it as A, B, C and this as D. If this is U, so this will also be U, isn't it? This also will be U, and this is the final position, so this will be final velocity. So graph is ready. Now let us start proving of equation of motion. Okay, so let us see, a student, first equation of motion. First equation of motion, that is v equal to u plus at। तो यहाँ से ही प्रूव करेंगे इस ग्राफ से। कैन यू सी हियर BD equal to what will be there? BC plus CD. BD equal to BC plus CD. Okay. So BD is what? BD is V. And BC is what? Let us write BC as BC only. Plus CD. In place of CD I can write what? U. Okay. Now BC is what, a student? Velocity. Let us see. Acceleration equal to velocity by time. Or velocity is what? Acceleration is happening in this situation, A to B. So this will be the velocity. So velocity is what? BC. And time, that will be T only. Therefore BC is what? BC will be 80. BC will be 80. So V equal to 80 plus U. Therefore V equal to U plus 80. So this is first equation of motion by graphical method. Did you understand? Let us revise. See, from graph BD equal to BC plus CD. I have written here. BD is what, student? V. See, BC is what? We know that acceleration is in A to B. So acceleration equal to what? Velocity by time. तो velocity कहाँ पे हो रहा है? BC में हो रहा है। इधर तो velocity है नहीं, यहाँ जहाँ acceleration हो रहा है वहाँ ना लेंगे velocity। acceleration यहाँ पे हो रहा है, तो मैंने ये वाला velocity consider किया है। तो V के जगह पे क्या हो गया? BC, और time हो गया T। तो BC इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा? 80। देखिए मैंने लिख दिया यहाँ पे। तो जहां BC है वहां 80 लिख दिया, तो V इक्वल टू क्या हो गया 80 प्लस U, इसको मैंने रीअरेंज कर दिया, V इक्वल टू U प्लस 80. सो दिस इज प्रूव्ड. ओके, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन इज प्रूव्ड. नाउ सेकेंड इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन. Second equation of motion, let us prove. We know that distance traveled equal to area of the figure. What figure? OABD. ओके, सो डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड को हम लोग लिखेंगे यस से, एंड एरिया ऑफ द फिगर OABD. This can be written in two parts. Area of figure OACD plus area of figure ABC. Area of figure, what figure? OACD. That is rectangle. Area of rectangle OACD plus area of triangle. See, this figure is triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. So S equal to area of rectangle. What is length into breadth? So what is length here? Length is OD and breadth is OA. So OD into OA plus area of triangle ABC. So area of triangle is half into base into height. So half into base. Base is what? AC. Base is AC and height is what? BC. Half into base into height. Now S equal to OD. From the graph, OD is what? T into OA is what? OA is U plus half AC. Where is AC? AC is here. So AC will be equal to T, isn't it? AC will be T. And BC, I have already calculated. BC equal to 80. Therefore, S equal to UT plus half 80 square. So this is second equation of motion. Proved, isn't it? Proved graphically. Did you understand? So if you have not understand, a student, you can rewind the video and can see part by part, try to understand and keep the pen and copy ready. At the time of watching video, you keep writing also. Write point by point and rewind again and again and see the video. You will understand easily. Now I am going to teach you this to prove third equation of motion. Third equation of motion. Third equation of motion, that is V square equal to U square plus 2AS. Let us prove, a student, from here graph. Again we will write that distance traveled equal to area of figure. What figure, student? OABD. Okay, distance traveled, distance is written with symbol S, equal to area of figure OABD. Area of figure, what figure? That is trapezium. Trap OABD. This is a trapezium, isn't it? जिसमें दो पैरेलल साइड होता है और दो नॉन पैरेलल साइड होते हैं, ट्रेपेजियम कहलाते हैं. सो ये ट्रेपेजियम है ये. सो यस इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ ट्रेपेजियम. व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ ट्रेपेजियम? 1/2 into sum of parallel side, isn't it? Sum of parallel side into the height. So S equal to 1 by 2 into sum of parallel side. That means OA plus BD. OA plus BD, isn't it? This is OA and this is BD. These two sides are parallel to each other. So OA plus BD into height. Height is what? Distance between them. These two parallel sides, distance between them is OD. So S equal to 1 by 2 into OA. OA is what? U. Plus BD is what? V. Into OD. OD is what? T. Okay. So S equal to 1 by 2 into, इसको मैं उलट करके लिखूंगा. देखिए U plus V can also be written as V plus U into T. See student, we know that A equal to V minus U by T. Therefore T equal to what? V minus U by A. V minus U by A. Because in the third equation of motion there is no requirement of T. So T can be changed into this condition. V minus U by A. Okay, like this. So S equal to, what is it? A plus B, A minus B. You know that A plus B or A minus B equal to A square minus B square, isn't it? So that formula I will use here. So that will be V square minus U square by 2A, or V square minus U square equal to 2AS. 2AS, or V square, see this is in minus, that will go right side, it will become plus. So that will be U square plus 2AS. So this is it, student. Third equation of motion has been proved graphically. So you watch video again and again, and if you like the video, press subscribe and bell icon and comment and share, students. Nice to teach you all.